Hello everybody, again, we are updating these recipes. So one of the recipes that I saw a lot of problem with was with our chicken taco or our chicken fajitas. So the thing that I'm gonna do differently on this is I'm gonna put my chicken on the pan, I'm gonna put it in my combi mode for 15 to 18 minutes. Then after that, I'm gonna add a little bit of water in my seasonings to get those fresh and crispy and nice looking chicken fajitas. Alright, so I took my chicken out of the combi oven. I really cooked it for about 18 minutes and on combi mode. So at this point, what I'm going to do is kind of dice these up. The easy way to dice these up, as you can see, one of my favorite people, Aisha's doing is just dicing these up. Just kind of get it in a way that they can just put it all in the scoop. Very simple. All she's doing is using a dicer or a scraper and just cut these things up. And once we cut all these up, we're going to add it to this pan. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of water. We're going to add the seasonings. We're just going to mix all those things up to give a nice flavor, a nice look, and so we can have the best looking fajita meat on the market. Alright, so as you can see, we got all this kind of diced up. So the next thing I'm going to do is put my seasoning on. I'm going to sprinkle some seasoning on there. And then kind of twist this around, kind of make sure all of it's seasoned, and then I'll put in 1/4 cup of water, just so all that can combine. How you think we looking, Aisha? Alright, so speaking to Aisha, she just informed me that I needed some more water, and so what she usually uses is something like this. And she pours this on here to make sure that the chicken looks a little bit more looser than when I had it before. Thank you for that. I really appreciate that. And alright, and the reason why that we put that amount of water is because it's going to evaporate once you put it on the line. And you still want it to be just a little bit nice, a little bit moist, and a little bit good. And don't forget, you have an extra cilantro, throw it in there.